Today I'm going to do a requested video. Some people have been asking for this, so I thought I'd do it. It's really simple. It's how to make a bootable USB device. So I got my USB drive here. It's super tiny. So I'm going to make this bootable for Ubuntu. So it's going to be Ubuntu 12.04. So it's that way you can either install Ubuntu 12.04 or you could run it live, which means you don't have to install, but you could still use the full desktop and it won't make any changes to your hard drive. So it's a great way to just test out Ubuntu before installing it. If you're kind of on the fence, it's a great way to test it out. You get the full desktop experience, you get some pre-installed software that's commonly used. So to really give that a try without any commitment to your hard drive. So just follow these simple, easy steps, just like a minute tutorial, really quick. And then you could start using Ubuntu today without commitment or do the full installation, whatever you guys want. Otherwise, just keep watching and then you can see how easy it is to do.
First thing we want to do is download the Ubuntu 12.04 software. So we go to ubuntu.com, click on Get Ubuntu. We're going to have some options here. There's going to be Ubuntu Desktop and Ubuntu Server. Now, depending on what you want to do with it, you're going to select your option. I'm going to download the Ubuntu Desktop. There is 32-bit and 64-bit. This will depend on the processor you're using. If it's an older laptop, it's safer to go with 32-bit. If it's newer, 64-bit. It'll prompt you to download. It'll take a few minutes to download. So let's go ahead and download now the utility to make our USB device bootable. I like using the universal USB installer. Now, if this is the latest software, you might have to re-download it if you already have downloaded to get the latest releases of OSs listed. So we're going to download the latest version. I'm going to see that Ubuntu 12.04 is listed there. Desktop edition. I want to search and browse for my ISO image, select my USB device. I would like it to format the USB device before making it bootable, and then I go ahead and click create. It's going to give you a warning here saying anything on the USB drive will be deleted. It'll take a few minutes for this to go ahead and create your bootable USB device, and then once you're done, you are ready to install your Ubuntu operating system. Go ahead and plug that USB in and you're going to be guided through your Ubuntu installation. Enjoy, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you go ahead and try your Ubuntu install today, let me know how much you love your Ubuntu install in the comments below. If you use a live install instead, let me know if you use a live install. I'm curious why you might use a live install and not just install it. If you're kind of on the fence, let me know if you decide not to. I'd be curious why people decide not to use Ubuntu. That'd be interesting too. So just leave any comments, any thoughts. I like to hear it. What people think about this stuff. If you like the desktop, if you don't like the desktop, or what you don't like. Leave that in the comments. I like to know all about this. That way, if I make a tutorial about, maybe you can fix it or change it or see how flexible this is and customizable. So yeah. Otherwise, leave everything you think below. And if you want another tutorial on a different topic, leave that in the comments. I try to consider those as well. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time.